I can see this bananas growing. You can see this one. This is made for sure. Last time I made chutney.
And these are butterfly pea flowers.
Many green chilies. That is good enough for 2-3 days. Their family lives in coconut tree or in papaya. They are eating. And press it here, you relax, and put the TV on. भाइयों आज हो गई है. So it's today is 5th October and we are in Koh Phangan. That's our house where we are staying from last 2 months. We're gonna leave soon. So we are renting this property now from this landlord. If you can see, she have 2 BHK, like 2-bedroom hall kitchen, and she also have a 3-bedroom hall kitchen, where now we are doing business with this lady as well. And we are staying in a cottage. So it's 1-bedroom hall and kitchen with the cottage, where you can see outside area also, where we were paying 21,000 baht for this property and 6 baht per unit for electricity for her. Except of that, we have Miss Ashley with us holding the camera and being my cameraman, so thank you. And the reason I like this property also, it's in a very quiet place right now where we are staying. We can see a lot of animals, where you can see the frogs most of the time. Follow my Instagram so you can see what we are talking about here. And there is banana trees where I can see this bananas growing. You can see this one. They have green chilies and local Thai food as well. See now you can see her doing a lot of things. She does it by herself, all kind of work. And she's the one basically who takes care of the property here. We have a package of full moon, and we were thinking if we send our clients, if it's a group, it's one of the best properties to stay with. There is a 2 bedrooms with toilets and there is 3 bedrooms with toilet, and it's a fully equipped properties, both of them. You can find them on Airbnb, but if you want some cheaper plans, you know where to come. I will put all the social networking on the description so you can follow over there. I can give you the rates of both the properties if you want, and of course I'm gonna show you some videos and pictures of both the properties, also about this property where I am staying. So let's go. The main thing is we are making video because I want to get some green chilies, so I don't buy it. I don't go outside. That's the reason I stay here. Okay, I go to the backyard and just get some green chilies, where our landlord have been gave the permission from the first day that we can have it. So bhaiyo, ye hamara ghar tha. That's where we are staying. And as you come down, we have a parking here where I put my scooter. I told you, and I have shown above this thing. Usually this thing will cost you 5,000 baht per month if you take it by rent from anywhere. This kind of scooter, it's 160 cc. It's a beautiful scooter. That's what no, that's not what I am paying, but that's what usually charge for per month. If you take it per day, usually it would be for 500 baht per day. You can rent the scooter for. So as I was saying, the house, see, this landlord have been put it all kind of local. There is mint. I'm really not sure. You guys can comment.
This is Thai basil,
Thai basil. Or you guys can comment if you know what all these herbs are. This is made for sure. Last time I made chutney, I was taking mints from here for the chutneys.
And these are butterfly pea flowers.
Oh yeah. So there is all the flowers you can see. Yeah, you can make tea from this. So if there is more herbs, I really don't know what that is, but it's a food. Just to walk around from here. And this is thyme.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so this is thyme. And if we go back, so this is the back side of our home basically, guys. And you can see them making noise, okay?
And we have a nice hot water heater also.
It's 24 hours at work, so it gives all the time hot water. It comes on your electricity bill as well, but yeah, it gives you anytime you need hot water. So there is this gate, and we have a lot of them. See, another one, as I said, you have to be careful. There are more banana trees here, if you can see. And this whole farm, if you can see, from here to long way it's going on. It all belongs to the landlord, and all this banana trees, as you can see, everywhere bananas are growing. Ashley usually makes smoothies, so the landlord gives the bananas from here basically, and they gave us a lot of bananas. Okay, and there is a lot of green chilies now, guys. You can see a lot from there, and they are all getting. No one is eating it. So Basically, they told us to get it, and we don't take a lot. We just take as much as we need to use, because we can come as many as time. So I'm gonna take some green chilies for some food tonight. Guys, I got this many green chilies that is good enough for 2-3 days. So I'm gonna go and show you a little bit of more this property. That's why we don't live in the busiest part of the Koh Phangan. It's not that far away from the roads as well. You walk for like 1 minute and you will be in the main street, and in 2 minutes you will be in 7-Eleven. So it's just outside. That's the best part. And there are more things, which I think it's a papaya tree. Where they are, yeah, you see?
Yeah.
It's a papaya. See? That's cool. There are more things we have been put. I don't know what they are. I think it's beans or something.
Beans or maybe cucumbers.
Yeah, you guys can comment if you guys know. We are really not sure.
Look at this.
As their family lives in coconut tree or in papaya, they are eating. So there are again some bats.
Cats.
Of course,
No, cats.
Cats.
And bats also.
And bats.
We had a bat.
I will put the pictures. We had a bat over here, guys. So I will also put you the picture. Have been lifted up a little bit. Not a little bit. It's a lifted up house. So even because islands get a lot of rain, basically, it's a wooden house with the windows on it. And I will show you from the inside how it looks, because the last video I was really not prepared and I didn't know how the video went. But just try to take a look. It's a very beautiful house. I love it. Come inside and I'll show you. This comes up here. So we put it outside, this thing. So it's a sliding door, guys. We don't leave sleepers outside, but I'm gonna do that.
We
to
do
show
mostly.
Off. Yeah, mostly we do that, but I'm gonna, on video, we put it outside. We come inside, lock the door. It's a sliding door. This is the lock, beautiful. There's a bedroom inside, a 55 inches TV, which is a smart TV, so you can connect with Android as well. This is a couch, basically, where most of the time we both spend our time here, relaxing, watching something, but just to be relaxed. This is one of the best things. And I'll show you some things here. So I go usually sit here and press it here to relax and put the TV on and relax here and have popcorns and some things. And we do most of the time this thing here. Basically, we sit here and do most of the work in this table, eat here most of the time. And it's, for 4 people, it's the best table to sit and you can see this windows basically. So you can see outside, but people can't see basically inside. At the daytime, at night, yes, people can see inside. So yeah, that's a very beautiful flowers. Okay, so this is not from me. I'm Indian. Okay, I'm not usual for these things. With Ashley, she's from US, and this looks beautiful, very beautiful. Don't think I am the only person who lives in this house. Okay, there is the cameraman who's behind everything. She's the person. Okay, doing and making it very beautiful. She's the one. Fridge, which I don't think so. It's full with a lot of things. So I don't want to show you guys what's. And let me see the freezer. Like freezer, you can see. So
it feels good.
sourdough bread. We got it from one of the ice cream places, one of the best ice cream places in Koh Phangan, called Indigo. There's some Kerala parathas, which अगर तुम इंडिया से वही जानते हो तो केरला पराठास हैं ये. We get it frozen. These kind of parathas, and you put it in the pan and fry it. We got some frozen strawberries, which I was telling Ashley make her smoothies. We get the bananas from outside, and this is the frozen things. हमको यहाँ पे Indian मिल जाता है. If you guys are coming from India, Indian foods are available. Go to Macro. Also, I'm going to put a video, but if you're going to Macro, you will find Indian stuff. This is from 7-Eleven. Usually you get Kitty, Hello Kitty things. So it's money. Usually this is money. 1 baht for each. You can see on the bottom right side there is the amount, and some of them is like 3 baht. As you can see, it says 3 baht on some of them. So we are collecting this. I don't know what Ashley is collecting. She's the one. I don't know what to do these
You can
things.
bring them back and then get money off.
We have a lot of glasses for wine, chai, and water and everything. For we need it up. That's our munchies section. If we need a lot of chocolates, there are sour candies, some chips from Mexico, something tortillas.
Goldfish.
It's the goldfish cheddar. It's biscuits. We are super rich, we eat that. And then you can see we got mostly Amul ghee. As I was telling you, you can find Indian things. It is Amul ghee. You can find it here. And most of the Indian masalas, like this MDA chunky chaat masala, we have garam masala on the back. So easily, lot of Indian spices. If you guys, we love Indian food, both of us. So we make a lot of Indian things. This we take 20 baht to exchange the bottle, 100 baht for security. We bought this thing for 120 baht, guys.
We didn't buy anything.
Everything. So if you guys can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 big knives to use.
And some are there also.
And also this is our plates and things which you can use. And big means big knives, guys. Okay, so you know you are in Thailand. We have a rice cooker, guys. Takes 40 minutes, 45, 50 minutes to make rice, pulao, or things on it. Pulao is basically we put some veggies on the rice, some turmeric, salt, olive oil or ghee, whatever you prefer, and leave it 50 minutes, it's ready. Even the simple rice, 50 minutes, 40 minutes, it's ready. Microwave, hot water, we have a kettle here. More chai things in India, chai masala, some sugar, tea leaves, which you can't find here. So if you guys are coming from India, bring your tea leaves. 2 gas stoves, which the landlord gives you. It comes with your rent, which you are paying. And as you come a little outside, we were talking about the birds. Just take a look here. They chill, relax here, stay here. Hello. They are not super noisy. They are cool. I love them. They are very cool. And then waking up in this thing, listening to them in the morning is super cool.
So
and they are cool. They chill. They relax. They do. That's it. That's it. We don't have problem from someone doing. That's the cleaning thing, which we do 50-50. Okay, I have to say that because she is holding the camera, guys. So yeah, this is mostly Ashley's place. We just clean it. I am sorry, I'm saying it's Ashley's place. It's also my clothes place. So if I will remove the clothes, I will put it here. But it's mostly Ashley's place to see things. And good toilet here, 24 hours hot shower. Yeah, it's a toilet we got in here, which is super cool. 24 hours hot water coming.
2 shower heads.
Huh?
2 shower heads.
Yeah, 2 showers. Basically, you get in 24 hours. It's hot water coming up here, guys, and some hanging stuff. This is like everything you got because landlord was it was her house. She was staying here, so everything have been taken care of. And then you can see we have more space putting things. Our clothes and everything is inside. I don't think so. I want to show you because we just throwed everything inside because we wanted to record, guys. So basically, this is Ashley's side we are showing you. I can't show you my side, but we are showing you Ashley's side. So this is the hangers and more spacious things you get. You get 2 drawers to put in your clothes. So we have different for both of us. I got my side, she got her side. For a couple, if you are looking for even in Koh Phangan, I think it's the best place. About the rates, depends on the season. I took it for 3 months in off season. That's why I was paying the cheap. But it's gonna be costly in the monthly season. If you are coming up on, depends. If you're coming after on November, December, January, February, mostly it gets super expensive. If you need it on daily basis, this one, any another one, before 1 day, 2 days full moon, after 2 days full moon, the prices will be very different. It was not going to be the same because that's how they make money basically over here on the full moon parties. So this house, any another house you need, if you are a group of 6, 7, 8 people, if you are a group of 4 people or a couple, you can get this house. So we have all 3 properties with us also for the business. So if you guys are really interested coming to Koh Phangan and looking for a space, I don't think so usually people put these kinds of videos on YouTube. I don't know why, but I am here for some time. I would love to put it, and you can get it booked from us anytime you feel like it. Just get connected on Instagram, Facebook, or directly on WhatsApp. On description you can find the link below, and subscribe the channel, guys, if you want to see more videos like this. And say thank you to Ashley because she is making the video. You wanna come? She's the cameraman and she's like, my hands are getting this and that. Thank you. So this is bedroom, guys, basically of ours. It's quite big for us. For 2 people it's very wonderful. We have an air conditioner here which usually take care at the night. This is our house. We both get side tables on our bed. So this is my earplugs, which Ashley got it for me from US, where how cool it is that I have my name on it, Cookie. Okay, this is my name also. Like yesterday, Ashley was asking, does people know? So people call me Cookie, okay? So that's my name on an earplug. So I am so cool, guys. So you should subscribe my channel for that because how cool I am, okay? So this window you can see outside from here, which usually we left it closed. I can see my bike from here, which is outside. That's super cool. I can see my sometimes neighbors sitting over there, and I can say hello to them. You can come outside from this side also. So we have a sliding door on this side, a window on that side on your bed where you can see outside in your dining table, and from here you go outside and you come to the drawing rooms again. How cool is that? I am so cool and our house is so cool. Okay, guys, so this is the video about our house. This is so
And
cool.
we also have another AC.
Yeah, so this is a big AC, guys. This is 2-ton AC. It makes it super chill. Okay, super chill. And trust me when I say super chill. Okay, come on, they are here. You see, guys? They are here now. Don't pee me, okay? Hello, guys. Okay. So this is our house, beautiful house in Koh Phangan, guys. Super cool house. We looked for almost 25, 30, 40 properties most probably in Koh Phangan before, after coming to the Koh Phangan, both of us. So this house is fully completed, prepared. Come to our Instagram if you need or if you wanted to stay in Koh Phangan. And also if you guys love this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Say bye to Ashley as well, guys.
Bye.
You have to say that because she did hard work.